Here's why Google plans to release Android 16 slightly earlier compared to the usually followed schedule. Google recently confirmed that the Android 16 update will be released in the second quarter of 2025. The biggest advantage the early rollout could grant Google is an edge over Apple's sales for the next iPhone series, whose evidence is the availability of the Android 16 update for developers. Google gaining a foothold in the relevant space seems to have stirred the U.S. Department of Justice into action, forcing the tech giant to sell off its Chrome browser. The initial confirmation was provided by Google in late October, announcing that a major SDK release is scheduled for the second quarter of next year. On the other hand, the latest take from the company assured that Android 16 will be released stably in 2025, with the updated version likely to be developed stably in the first quarter. It's worth noting the developer preview period for Android 16 is underway. Over the past few years, Google's been releasing new Android updates in the fall. Google terms the change in timeline with Android 16 as an attempt to better align with the schedule of device launches across our ecosystem, so more devices can get the major release of Android sooner.